Rooms are essential components of a home, creating that warm and cozy atmosphere we all love. With so many different types of rooms in a house, it can be challenging to keep track of them all. Today, I'll explore various types of rooms and their purposes, providing insight into the diverse spaces found within a house. In larger houses, entry halls may be less ornately furnished, often featuring neighboring closets, shoe organizers, mudrooms, and powder rooms. While these areas may initially appear somewhat barren, small rooms in cozy cottages exude a sense of warmth and intimacy. Even in seemingly minimalist spaces, decorative elements like flower arrangements or art pieces can add a touch of luxury and make the area more inviting. Now, let's delve into the most common types of rooms found in a house and learn about each space to help you envision your dream home. To simplify this list, let's start with the first rooms you encounter when entering a house. The foyer is your home's first impression, setting the stage for what's to come inside. It's not just a space for hanging coats, it's a welcoming area where guests are greeted with warmth and style. From elegant chandeliers and statement mirrors to stylish console tables and cozy seating, the foyer is a reflection of your home's personality and hospitality. The kitchen is the heart of the home, where culinary creativity meets functional design. Whether it's a gourmet chef's dream with professional-grade appliances or a cozy farmhouse kitchen with rustic charm, the kitchen is a space for family gatherings, culinary adventures, and everyday moments. With its versatile layout, ample storage, and thoughtful details, the kitchen is where memories are made and traditions are passed down through generations. The family room is the ultimate hangout spot for quality time with loved ones. Whether it's movie nights on the big screen, game days with board games and popcorn, or cozy evenings by the fireplace with hot cocoa, the family room is a versatile space that adapts to your family's lifestyle. With its comfortable seating, entertainment center, and cozy rugs, the family room is where laughter echoes and bonds are strengthened. The dining room is a space for celebration and connection, where family meals and special occasions are shared with love and laughter. Whether it's a formal dinner party with fine china and crystal glassware, or a casual brunch with mismatched chairs and fresh flowers, the dining room sets the stage for memorable moments and meaningful conversations. With its elegant decor, ambient lighting, and inviting atmosphere, the dining room is where traditions are honored and new memories are created. The living room is a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation, where comfort meets style in a harmonious blend. Whether it's a cozy retreat with plush sofas and soft throws, or a chic lounge with modern decor and sleek furnishings, the living room is a reflection of your taste and lifestyle. With its inviting ambience, cozy lighting, and curated art, the living room is where you unwind, entertain, and make lasting memories with loved ones. The master bedroom is your private oasis, a retreat from the chaos of everyday life where tranquility and luxury reign supreme. Whether it's a serene sanctuary with soft bedding and tranquil hues, or a lavish escape with a plush canopy bed and opulent furnishings, the master bedroom is a haven for relaxation. With its sumptuous textures, soothing colors, and elegant accents, the master bedroom is where you recharge, unwind, and indulge in well-deserved pampering. The bathroom is a sanctuary for self-care and rejuvenation, where you start and end your day with moments of relaxation and indulgence. Whether it's a spa-inspired retreat with a soaking tub and scented candles, or a sleek oasis with modern fixtures and minimalist design, the bathroom is a space for personal rituals and private moments. With its luxurious amenities, soothing ambience, and thoughtful details, the bathroom is where you refresh, recharge, and rejuvenate your body and mind. The laundry room is a functional workspace where chores become less of a chore with efficient design and organization. Whether it's a compact laundry closet or a spacious utility room, the laundry room is a hub for household tasks and practical solutions. With its smart storage, durable appliances, and convenient layout, The laundry room streamlines your routine and transforms laundry day into a breeze. The guest room is a welcoming retreat for visitors, where comfort and hospitality create a home away from home experience. Whether a cozy guest bedroom with plush bedding and thoughtful amenities, or a stylish suite with hotel-inspired decor and luxurious touches, the guest room is a sanctuary for relaxation. With its inviting ambience, comfortable furnishings, and personal touches, the guest room ensures a memorable and enjoyable stay, making guests feel cherished and cared for during their visit. The home office is a productive sanctuary where work meets inspiration in a space designed for focus and creativity. Whether it's a sleek workspace with modern furniture and minimalist design, or a cozy nook with vintage decor and eclectic charm, the home office reflects your professional style and personality. With its functional layout, ergonomic furnishings, and inspiring decor, the home office inspires productivity and fosters innovation in a comfortable and stylish setting. The library is a literary haven where imagination takes flight, amidst walls lined with books and cozy reading nooks. Whether it's a grandiose study with floor-to-ceiling shelves and a rolling ladder, or a cozy corner with built-in bookcases and plush armchairs, the library is a sanctuary for book lovers and literary enthusiasts. With its quiet ambience, comfortable seating, and curated collection, the library is where stories come alive and adventures unfold within the pages of beloved books. The kids' bedroom is a whimsical wonderland where creativity flourishes and dreams take flight in a space designed for play and imagination. Whether it's a colorful nursery with whimsical decor and playful accents, or a stylish teen retreat with personalized touches and vibrant hues, the kids' bedroom is a reflection of their unique personalities and interests. With its playful ambience, functional furnishings, and interactive elements, the kids' bedroom inspires creativity and fosters growth in a space that's as magical as their imagination. The playroom is a vibrant playground where imagination knows no bounds and fun takes center stage in a space designed for endless adventures. Whether it's a colorful playroom with interactive toys and educational games, or a themed wonderland with imaginative decor and creative play areas, the playroom is a haven for little ones to explore, learn, and grow. With its vibrant ambience, versatile furnishings, and engaging activities, the playroom sparks joy and inspires endless hours of imaginative play and laughter. The home theater room is a cinematic sanctuary where movie magic comes to life on the big screen in a space designed for immersive entertainment and unparalleled viewing experiences. Whether it's a cozy media room with plush seating and surround sound, or a state-of-the-art theater with stadium seating and a projector screen, the home theater room is a haven for film enthusiasts and entertainment aficionados. With its immersive ambience, cutting-edge technology, and comfortable amenities, the home theater room transports you to a world of cinematic bliss and unforgettable movie nights. The gym room is a fitness sanctuary where health and wellness take center stage in a space designed for energizing workouts and active living. Whether it's a sleek home gym with state-of-the-art equipment and motivational decor, or a versatile workout space with functional fitness gear and dynamic exercise routines, the gym room is a haven for fitness enthusiasts and exercise aficionados. With its invigorating ambience, personalized fitness routines, and convenient amenities, the gym room empowers you to reach your fitness goals and live your healthiest life with ease and convenience. The basement is a versatile space with endless potential, offering additional square footage for various purposes in a home's layout. Whether it's a cozy retreat with a home theater and game room, or a functional storage area with shelves and cabinets, the basement is a valuable extension of the living space. With its flexible layout, customizable features, and potential for transformation, the basement can adapt to meet the changing needs and lifestyle preferences of homeowners, making it a valuable asset in any home design. The garage is a functional space that serves as a shelter for vehicles and a storage area for tools, equipment, and outdoor gear. Whether it's an attached garage with direct access to the home or a detached structure with ample storage space, the garage provides protection for vehicles from the elements and secure storage for belongings. With its practical design, durable construction, and convenience for homeowners, the garage enhances the functionality and organization of a property, offering a dedicated space for automotive maintenance and storage needs. The walk-in closet is a luxurious storage solution that offers ample space for organizing and displaying clothing, shoes, and accessories in style. Whether it's a custom-built closet with built-in shelving and drawers, or a spacious dressing room with dedicated storage zones and elegant lighting, the walk-in closet is a coveted feature in modern homes. With its customizable layout, smart storage solutions, and elegant design elements, the walk-in closet elevates the functionality and aesthetics of a home, providing a stylish sanctuary for wardrobe organization and personal grooming. The pantry is a practical storage space that offers convenient access to food items, kitchen supplies, and household essentials in a well-organized manner. Whether it's a walk-in pantry with floor-to-ceiling shelves and built-in storage bins, or a compact cupboard with adjustable shelving and pull-out drawers, the pantry maximizes storage capacity and efficiency in the kitchen. With its functional design, versatile storage solutions, and easy accessibility, the pantry streamlines meal preparation, grocery shopping, and pantry organization, making it an essential feature in modern homes. The gaming room is a dedicated space for immersive gaming experiences and social entertainment in a home environment. Whether it's a high-tech game room with multiple gaming consoles and interactive displays, or a retro-inspired arcade with classic arcade machines and nostalgic decor, the gaming room caters to gamers of all ages and preferences. With its dynamic ambience, state-of-the-art technology, and comfortable seating options, the gaming room provides a thrilling escape for gaming enthusiasts and friends to indulge in their favorite video games and multiplayer competitions. The attic is a versatile space that offers additional storage, living, or recreational space in a home's upper level. Whether it's a finished attic with insulated walls and flooring, or an unfinished loft with exposed beams and open space, the attic provides valuable square footage for various purposes. With its adaptable layout, customizable features, and potential for renovation, the attic offers homeowners the flexibility to create a functional space that meets their specific needs and lifestyle preferences, making it a valuable asset in home design and utilization. Sunrooms and conservatories are charming spaces that bring the beauty of the outdoors inside, providing a tranquil retreat for relaxation and enjoyment in any season. Whether it's a sun-drenched conservatory with expansive windows and lush greenery, or a cozy sunroom with comfortable furnishings and panoramic views, these spaces blur the line between indoor and outdoor living. With their bright and airy ambience, natural light, and connection to nature, sunrooms and conservatories create inviting environments for lounging, entertaining, and enjoying the scenic beauty of the surrounding landscape. The storage room is a functional space that offers convenient storage solutions for household items, seasonal belongings, and miscellaneous possessions in a well-organized manner. Whether it's a dedicated storage closet with built-in shelving and hanging racks, or a multi-purpose storage area with modular storage units and stackable containers, the storage room maximizes space efficiency and organization in the home. With its versatile storage options, customizable layout, and easy accessibility, the storage room helps homeowners declutter living spaces, streamline storage solutions, and maintain a tidy and organized home environment. The music room is a creative sanctuary where musicians and music enthusiasts alike can express their passion for music and sound in a dedicated space. Whether it's a soundproofed studio with professional recording equipment and acoustic panels, or a cozy music corner with musical instruments and comfortable seating, the music room accommodates a variety of musical activities and artistic pursuits. With its inspiring ambience, acoustic design elements, and creative potential, the music room fosters creativity, collaboration, and artistic expression in a space designed for musical exploration and enjoyment. The wine cellar is a sophisticated space that showcases and preserves a collection of wines in optimal conditions, providing a luxurious retreat for enophiles and wine enthusiasts to indulge in their passion for fine wines. Whether it's a traditional wine cellar with climate-controlled storage and custom wine racks, or a modern wine room with sleek design elements and integrated tasting areas, the wine cellar offers a serene environment for wine appreciation and entertainment. With its elegant ambience, temperature-controlled environment, and curated wine selection, the wine cellar elevates the wine tasting experience and adds a touch of luxury to any home. There you have it, a glimpse into the diverse spaces that make a house a home. From the welcoming entrance to the luxurious master suite, every room in a home has its unique charm and purpose, adding to the overall comfort and style of the space. Which room speaks to you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more home design inspiration. Thanks for watching.